I gotta see this. Wow. We could have been dead.
The neighbor's out.
Huh?
Said the neighbor is outside. Oh, he just went walking.
Hmm?
Said the neighbor just went walking.
You should tell them
Yeah.
Huh?
You should tell them
He
you're.
needs to take care of it. Ya no está nevando, ¿no es cierto?
This is the idea.
No, it's sunny.
This is sunny when it's raining. Oh, he's. I'm glad the tree didn't fall down in our house. That we're lucky. That if we die, you will become YouTuber.
Shut up, son.
Wilson doesn't become a YouTuber.
Shut up, son.
It didn't. What did? Fly, birdie. Okay, you see this tree fell. I'm gonna zoom. No. This one, that tree fell while it's thunderstorming. What is it gonna do? That's our backyard. Did it fell on the roof?
He's gonna have to do it.
I think it was there. I think, is that our tree? We have to cut that tree off. That fall. It's fine. But it's still thunderstorming while it was sunny. Look, you want to see how sunny it is? Look, sunny. Look. We should cut the tree off.
Hmm?
If we didn't have a tree, we could have been safer.
Son, did you take a picture?
Yeah. I'm recording.
No, take a picture.
Yeah, recording.
No, take a picture.
Okay, I think I'm gonna stop. Bye.